Having trouble loading photos on your iPhone? It could be due to iCloud syncing, storage issues, or network problems. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. Solution 1. Try opening files from different apps. Open App Store, tap Search, type Documents, set this up. After setting up this app, tap Photos album or try to open up file. Now find out the picture that you're having issues with. Try to open this up and see what happens. Solution 2. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your name, Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud, then tap Photos. Ensure that iCloud Photos is toggled on. If this is already on, turn it off and turn it back on. This ensures your photos are synced with iCloud. Solution 3. Check iPhone storage. Open Settings, tap General, then iPhone storage. Check if your storage is full. If it is, free up space by deleting unnecessary apps or files. Solution 4. Enable Download and Keep Originals. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down and find out Photos apps. Tap Photos, scroll down, select Keep Originals. After that, restart your iPhone. This ensures your iPhone keeps the original full-resolution version of your photos locally. Solution 5. Sign out and sign back into iCloud. Open Settings. Tap your name, Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone and sign back into iCloud. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled again in the settings. Your photos should be loading on your iPhone again after completing these steps. If the issue persists, reaching out to Apple support for further assistance could be helpful. Thanks for watching.